with one hand you're pushing. Okay, you have 3 fingers under, and then this one's gonna be holding on the mag. You have that pinky extension there. This hand pushing, this hand pulling. Okay, you're hugging your hand, putting your 3 fingers here, 3 fingers there, and then 2 thumbs forward. You rest it. You want to hold it here. You can hold it down to hold this part, no problem. You don't have to. You can hold it there. I don't, but if you want to hold it equal, I have big hands, I can reach all the way. If it's too much for you, don't do that. Don't be like this. You want to be natural. So you want to keep both fingers in front.